Hey guys, welcome back to Bright Night Tech. My name is Berto, and today we're going to look at the Zeus Smart Vehicle Health Monitor Mini by Nonda. First thing we're going to do is we're going to check out the company's website so you guys are a little more familiar with what they do. Then we'll do a quick unboxing, and then I'll show you how the product works. So let's jump right into it. So Nonda is a San Jose-based tech company that primarily focuses on technology for vehicles. So things like dash cams, this health monitor, chargers, different things like that. So the way I was actually able to get this product is that they were doing a giveaway. They were trying to give away 1 million of these, and all you do was pay shipping. At the time that I'm recording this, there is about 22 hours left. By the time this is up, that time will run out. But you can purchase your own. They do retail for about $59.99. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. So right away in the front of the box, it tells you exactly what it does. So engine health monitor. They have a safety center on there. You are going to need an app to have this work properly. So it has a QR code right on top that you can go ahead and scan. It'll take you to your respective app stores. I went through the Apple App Store for mine. Let's go ahead and open it up. Honestly, there is not much to look at once we open it up here. It has instructions on how to put the top cover on it. We'll look at that in just a second, but yeah, you just put it on and it clicks and you're good to go. I was not really sure why they shipped it this way, why it's open, you can see the board, and then you have to physically put in the top part on it, the cover. Be very careful when you pick it up, don't touch the board or the pins on the back, that's going to plug in right into your car. But yeah, so you just take this cover and you put it on there. Again, not really sure or clear why they decided to do it this way, but there you have it. So next, we're going to take a look at the app itself and show you how to set it up. So we're going to try it on my car. I drive a 2006 Ford Mustang. Let's go ahead and take a look. So my computer port is right underneath the driver's seat. Right there. All you do is literally just pop it in. Now your car does have to be on in order for this to work. So make sure you turn on your car all the way. Go to your app store, find the Zeus app, quickest way to get it. It's going to ask you to create an account. You can use Facebook, your Apple account, or put in your email address. Once you do that, it'll take you to this page where all you have to do is click add your first device. It's going to give you a list of all the different products they have. It gives you right on the very top the most common one, which is this mini monitor. You're going to click on that, give you some instructions. Just click on pair now. Just make sure your car is on and your phone is near the device. Once it finishes its whole pairing, you will see your car's information on your app. So right now my car is just idling, so that's why you're seeing all this information right here. I'm going to do a test while I'm actually driving so you can see that information and see what kind of stuff that it can actually check. It actually does have a scan mode, so it'll scan for any errors that your car may have based on the information that the computer has. So I went ahead and started this scan. Now there's a few things on here that do not apply to me. I don't have tire pressure sensors, I don't have any dash cams or rear cams or anything like that, so it'll just skip through that. No issues detected, yay! It also has a car finder, so it'll actually note the last place your car was through GPS, and that way you can find it. Also has a section where you can put in all your information like VIN number, year, all that kind of stuff. So now let's go ahead and take a look at how this works while I'm actually driving. You have to have the app on while your car is on in order for this to work. It says efficient. I did learn something about myself, which I guess I kind of knew, is that I tend to brake hard, and it does document it. And apparently I also hard accelerate, and it gives you it counts how many times you do that in a trip. Here's some of that other information on there. Coolant speed based on GPS and what the car's computer says, which, as you can see, GPS speed and the current speed are different. Alright, so this product is going to set you back $59.99. You can visit their site, purchase it. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and put any questions that you may have in the comments below. Go ahead and subscribe for more videos, and I will see you next time.